everyone, welcome back to Nickelville Camping. I'm your local RV girl, Jordan, and today I've got something really cool to show you. It's my available 2025 Forest River Viking 11,000 rock. One of the most rugged off-road little camper you can get your hands on. If you're into exploring our back roads or finding those off-grid campsites, or if you want a lightweight adventure trailer that doesn't require a big truck, then trust me, stick around for this one because this trailer might look compact, but it's full of surprises. We're gonna do a full walk around on the exterior and then go inside and check out what the rock has to offer inside. And if you're new here, please smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss a single of my walkthrough videos. Now buckle up and let's get started right up at the front with the important specs first. Our overall length on this guy is 16 feet and our dry weight is 2,400 pounds. Right up at the front, we have our manual tongue jack with our 20-pounder propane tank. And of course, right behind that, that's where you're going to be able to fit your battery and box. What's nice about the rock is they actually have added the spare tire right underneath that A-frame. Now, since we're so close, we're going to have a look on this side. Right up here, we have our sidewall AC, which is 5,000 BTU. Right up at the front, you may think this is a storage compartment, but actually, this is your toilet. So when it's time to empty, there is no black tank here. You pull this out. We have a nice off-road 15-inch tire. You're gonna notice that we do have an on-the-go ladder prepped by Lippert, and as you can see, you have some roof racks up there. Let's go check that out. This 11,000 rock is equipped with factory roof racks and a 200-watt solar panel. Right over here, this is going to be for your 30-amp power connection. We have your cable and satellite. We have a freshwater drain below here for your sink in the back. We have your city water connection and freshwater connection here. We have our little outside shower right here below, and the rock is equipped with 2 rear stabilizer jacks at the back. Now that we've covered this side, let's go see what's at the back. Okay, now this is my absolutely favorite part about the rock. We have an outdoor rear kitchen. Now check this out. I love this. You can come outside and make your coffee in the morning or prepare for your meals. And when it's raining, you're not going to get poured on because you have this up above. Now check out all this counter space. Now I do have some lights out here just in case it gets a little dark at night or you're up early in the morning. You have a nice little sink here. We have lots of storage in the back of this kitchen. I like how they have some shelving area here, maybe for cups, and then on this side, maybe the bigger things, or vice versa. You have your water heater here to turn that on, and then of course, to put your water on, we have your GFCI protected outlet, just in case you have that coffee machine or anything. I love how they were still able to add a microwave below here, and then of course, one of my second favorite parts, the griddle to make your bacon, hamburgers, or anything you're cooking up. And then they did add this nice 3.3 cubic feet 12-volt refrigerator here. Let's check out the campsite side and then we'll go inside. Okay, now that we're on the campsite side, doing the best I can because I have this cargo trailer really close. We have a 9-foot power awning. I'm gonna keep it in because it's super windy out today, but check out that blue LED strip they added. No more slipping and falling and pretending that you're trying to do the splits. Right below, you have your LP Connect for your griddle on your door kitchen. You have a power outlet in case you need to plug in any power devices. Right over here, you have your leash link with your beer bottle opener. Enough of the outside. Let's get inside and see what the rock is all about. Welcome inside to the 11,000 rock. What you see is what you get. We do have a little dressing area, storage area. I don't know what to call that. but we'll do a little bit of a flip. I am currently in the rear of the trailer. I do love how they added this shelving area right above, maybe some bins or even some blankets, pillows, or any of that. Of course, this is your dinette, but this will convert into your bed. Basically, I would say that's a pretty close to a king size bed, and then it does come back into a dinette. I really like how much room you have, and let's say if it's you and your friend coming and you don't want to make the bed, you basically have a single and a single together, and honestly, there's a lot of room. Lengthwise, I have a lot of length, like definitely a 6-foot person could definitely be comfortable here, and the width, I have a lot of room because you can remove this. Honestly, that's, I would say, close to a true single bed. I have 2 nice windows on each side for a nice breeze if you don't want to turn that AC on, or let's say you're off-grid camping and don't have a generator, you can open those 2 windows and get a breeze through it. We have a lot of power outlets. I'm just noticing I have one here, one there, and one there. They are all GFCI protected outlet. Before we carry on, let's check out this bed and see what it looks like when it's put together. So before I continue and put the table down, check out all the space that you have under the bed. I love this. Of course, personally, I would recommend getting maybe a topper to put down, like a pad, so it's a little bit more comfortable. Otherwise, if I'm a single person going off-grid camping by myself, this is plenty of space for me and my dog. Otherwise, whatever way you want to sleep, this way or lengthwise, you have so much space. It's an absolute, could be a party in here. Enough of the rear, let's check out what's behind you. Now, I'm at the front of the trailer and you're at the rear. Right beside me, this is where our main entry for our door is. The exterior height is 8 feet tall, so take it in. I'm 5'4", 5'5", and I got a little bit of headroom. Probably wondering what's in here. I told you, the Viking is full of surprises. A little privacy curtain for when you're going to the washroom. I love having this option because, of course, this trailer would most likely be for more of a couple or a single person. Where we live in Northern Ontario, we do have quite a few bears. So instead of having to go outside, at least you're inside. We have that 5000 BTU AC right beside me, and I love how it has its own controls. We have a little bit of a stash area, I guess you could say, but your plug-in for your AC is here. But you do have a little bit of a compartment here where you can put some things. We have our solar charge control, 30 amp for that solar panel above. Now you can have a look at that outlet I was showing you. Here's your thermostat for that furnace. And right underneath there, they have added some USB and USB-C to plug in any of your power devices. Right above me, you're going to notice that they added a max air vent, a little bit of a shelving area right behind me, which I love. You can put some bins here or even grab the bins from this side and honestly kind of do whatever you want, which I love. Above, this is where you would mount your TV. You have your TV input and another GFCI outlet. That below here is for your heat to come out. Right beside your door, this is where you're going to find your power awning button and your switch for your interior lights. Well, folks, that's a wrap on my walkthrough on our available 2025 Viking 11,000 Raw. Small, lightweight, rugged, and honestly, pretty adorable. If you're from around the area or around Northern Ontario, come on by and come see me here at Nickelbell Camping so I can show you this in person. I'm Jordan from Nickelbell Camping. As always, happy camping, safe travels, and I'll see you next time. Your next adventure starts right here.